Hey Volk, what's your favourite thing on the barbecue? All right, bit of a different video for you. I'm in Sydney for Meatstock, which is the biggest barbecue festival in Australia. This event attracts tens of thousands of people across the places they run it at. They run it in Sydney, Melbourne, Queensland, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride. I'm going to be with Oklahoma Joe's for the weekend. I'm about to walk in. There's about 40 minutes to go until the gates open, and there's a big lineup already. Check it out. Right, so we've got a couple of exclusives at Meatstock. This is a Marshall. This is probably the most excited I've been about a barbecue release ever. I reckon this is going to quickly become my new favourite barbecue. So look at all that space in there. You've got the space of a pellet smoker. This is actually a grill, very much like the Rambler. So if I move this out of the way, you can grill on this level, and then below that grill, you've got your heat deflector. So you can move that up and down if you want to grill hot and fast. So if I put that back, you can shut the lid. You've got your firebox underneath here. So there's your charcoal basket. So very much like a drum where you've got your fire sauce underneath, and all that heat and smoke is going to come out through these top vents. So stay tuned, I cannot wait to get hold of one. And then another new one to the range, the Firecraft. So open fire grill. These go up and down. This is going to be awesome for that open fire cooking. I can't wait to get some steaks on there, even some beef ribs straight over charcoal. So another one coming around the same time as the Marshall, and then this prep station is coming at the same time too. So nice stainless top, some storage drawers. As you can see, you got the bucket down there from the pellet smoker. So stay tuned for that, the Marshall and the Firecraft coming mid-year. All right, we're over in the competition tents. Might be a familiar face you guys recognise. Chris. Woo! What do we got, wings?
We're doing wings, and what's better than like chicken and chips?
Secret sauce.
Secret. Umami kick.
Fried wings, secret sauce, getting dipped in. What we got here, some crushed peanuts.
Toasted.
Toasted peanuts.
These are my Kung Pao chicken wings. Sesame seeds.
Right, presentation is key. They get judged on presentation. So how Chris is putting them in the box very carefully plays a very important part into his final score. Alright, that's the final box. Chris's bacon entry. Alright, so there's a little bit of behind the scenes in the SCA, so the awards are later. I'll post the awards in the video if I get there. I reckon Chris has definitely got a good chance of placing, if not winning, that category. So tune back in for that. Alright, and if you're a car head, they've got car shows here as well. All right, so just got a feed, just sat down, picked up the brisket box from Carolina Smoke. Let's have a look. All right, so we got the mac and cheese, we got the brisket, we got the sausage. This looks amazing. Got the bands in the background, so I hope you can hear me all right. Well, let's give this a try. So that brisket, that is just falling apart. That is unreal. That is really, really good. All done in a massive offset smoker. Oh, that's amazing. All right, let's try some of that sausage.
This song's about very much the lowest of the low part of the
Look at that.
This is
Oh, that's good too. I won't bore you with the salad, the bread, or the mac and cheese, but that's amazing. If you ever see Carolina Smoke at a Meatstock or anywhere else, definitely give them a try. We've even got some arm wrestling. Right, got some croc charms. Got about 10 bags of these to give away. I'm gonna go find some people wearing some Crocs. Mate, I see you got some Crocs on. Do you want some croc charms?
Thank you.
You just want some croc charms?
Yeah. Thank you.
You want some croc charms?
How cool is that?
Do you wear Crocs as well? Who else wears Crocs?
Me.
Thank you.
Look at this. Good to go. So Alexander Volkanovski, the UFC Featherweight GOAT, is here. I'm going to see if I can meet him and ask him a question. Hey Volk, what's your favourite thing on the barbecue?
Favourite thing on the barbecue, mate, it's got to be a steak. I love a good steak. Maybe a big tomahawk.
How good's that? All right, so what a surreal moment that was. I got to meet Volk. I actually went and had a chat with him off camera. I didn't want to get the camera out and in his face, but I had a quick chat with him, gave him steak shooter, gave him beef bounce because that's my favourite steak combination. Obviously, as you've seen, he said he's a steak man. He actually called his social media guy over because I told him about the YouTube channel and stuff, and he's keen to collab. He said he's seen my videos before, which was just mind-blowing. He does a bit of barbecuing himself. If you follow him, you probably would have seen his cooking with Volk stuff. So hopefully we can make a collab on cooking with Volk. That'd be an absolute dream come true, but wow, what a moment. All right, so I'm just walking out of Meatstock. What a trip that was. Shout out to Oklahoma Joe's for having me. Bit of a different style video for you, but let me know if you enjoyed it. For now, I'm gonna go catch a flight. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.